Welcome everyone to this amazing Google Ads suspension restoration case study. So if your Google Ads account is suspended, then you need to follow and watch this whole case study in detail as well. So what happened was that the client account was suspended for unacceptable business practice policy. However, please keep in mind that if your Google Ads account is suspended for unacceptable business privacy policy, egregious violation, circumventing system, compromise site, malware, misrepresentation, or any other Google Ads suspension, you know that once an account is suspended, now your account and website is in Google radar, and Google is going to check every single aspect before restoring your account. So even for the cases your account is not suspended, you need to comply with all of them as well to get it approved. So which is why a thorough review of the website is required. So let's start with the website over here. You can see around here the website is for Umrah perfect traveling. So it's a traveling website over here. You can see around over here, and they provide primarily for Umrah pilgrims packages over here. So the account was running fine for 17 years. The account is IATA certified. Now IATA is an airline certification. If you are a touring and traveling company, most likely have your own IATA certificate as well. So the company had it, the company was running it fine, and then eventually someday you see your account getting suspended is your business is going to suffer through it. You are going to get a lot of losses because your advertising line is suspended. Now no more people are calling you, but you have a team who is managing, who is working, and you need to pay your bill. So your whole business is being affected through this Google Ads policy. So in order to get it approved over here through the Google Ads policy, now I'm going to tell you a few of the things over here regarding the company. The company was 17 years old, was working IATA certified. They were using other domains as well, but we just figured out, and we thought that we may need to use one domain only now for the approval, and then we can run around over here. So we selected this domain, which was their primarily main domain, which was working well. And I'm going to show you the suspension errors over here, so you guys can see over here the suspension errors. Let me show you by you can see around. You can see the account was suspended for unacceptable business practice policy. You can count your account number as well, 513817 over here. These are the further images of the account suspension over here, where unacceptable business practice policy page Google has defined the rules over here. Now it can be automated, it can be a manual suspension. However, you need to have a proper documentation ready for your website compliance over here and for all the issues over here. So you Google Ads account has been suspended over here. Now they tried a lot themselves, and which is why then they hired us. Some authorization letters, permissions were also being with them. I'm going to show you some of the documents, but I cannot show you everything over here. The company is certified, approved. So these are all of the documents which were being assigned. After this, when we started our own thorough review through the team, we found some errors on the website. uh, these are some of the errors on the website which needs approval. You can see around over here, some critical issues were being found on the website, like remove return flight from every package where flights are excluded. Sometimes when you are seeing one way flight and you are adding the return flight, that is not clear and can get confusion. Clear packages boxing for the Google policy approval. Show departure, airport, airline status, baggage, hotel room basis, visa status. All of the things are for Google policy. And flight excluded. See around over here, we were working a lot for the Google policy approvals, and Google may look around for a lot of factors in their own Google policy. Now, critical Hajj landing page along with display content, the Umrah content, you need to separate over here. So we thought that we need to separate the Hajj pricing and the Umrah as a separate services for the compliance with the Google policy. And some expired 2026 packages were still on the website, so we thought that the packages which have been expired while we are running it, so we need to exclude them or update them with the current pricing. So we thought that as well. Some coding errors were on the website as well. So we thought that those need to be sorted around as well. And along with this, what we did was a whole testing of the website, the checkout, the social media links. Sometimes there can be a miscommunication. The social media page, the contact us page is working fine or not. we used malware scanners, adware scanners to see if there is any known or unknown errors on the website. We use the broker link. We use the search console errors to figure out if there are any errors on the Google Search Console which may have caused the suspension. We looked for the coding compliance. We look for the speed test optimization. Then we look for any plugins which can cause a suspension. We look for the recent changes which have been done on the website. Sometimes that can be the reason that the Google policy you are violating, or sometimes if it's a recent any campaign you have created on Google Ads account which has created the suspension. So we look for those errors as well. So you can see it took us a lot of time. It's not a one-day job for the Google policy to be compliant. And even that after you have done all of the changes, you still need to update on the Google Search Console that the crawler can get the latest information from the website, and then you may start working with the Google team to get it approved for the Google policy. So for the suspended account, so I'm going to go you further over here. The changes were even further. You can see around over here some descriptions were needed to be updated. Some the 299 pound claim over here was need to be removed. Some privacy policy page has a conflicting business address over here. You can see the privacy policy page has a conflicting business address, while in the display you were running on your website a different address. So sometimes it's a wording address, sometimes a small error that can cause issue. Terms and condition contain duplicated generic content. We remove those conflicting phone numbers. You can see around over here the global site header, contact page and package uses this number. However, the Umrah transport page uses this number. So you can see even the small error. Sometimes it's not that the company has multiple phone numbers, or sometimes they have different departments. For instance, for buses they may have a different number, and for the home page they have a different number, but we recommend using the same number over here. So, or we need to add all of the numbers over here on all of the pages so they do not get confused, or we need to mention over here that this is specific for the transport over here. So you can see the small to small details are looking around. These are the cookie policy changes, updates, some additional minor UI, trust errors. Then we also created a top 10 action plan for the sorting out around the things. So you can see this is a huge file, for the Google policy compliance for the account suspension. And the story doesn't end over here. Once you do the changes, my team struggled on it, and we looked around on it, and then we created another one over here. And you can see that the cross checking still figured out some pages were still left, some policies were need to be still updated. So you can see around over here a lot of things were still need to be updated over here. So you can see around over here few changes again were figured out in our second audit error for the Google policy compliance. And now I'm going to tell you that while we were trying to submit the Google account for the suspension, and we figured out the campaigns, also the Google labeled as misrepresentation over here for the error. You can see the account kept on violated the unacceptable business practice Google Ads policy or Google policy. You can see around over here that this is the reason why the account was remain on suspended. And then after this, we created our own dedicated appeal over here. That this is our own appeal. Okay, and another interesting thing which I wanted to tell you, or I want to add you over here, that along with the appeal, it's also need to matter our status. We are a Google partner company. If you are work with us to get your Google Ads account approved or Google Ads management, please keep in mind that there is a difference between when you apply for the account appeal or when you ask the Google partner. But as a Google partner, we have a dedicated support as well, through which we pursue your case for faster approval. So after the account appeal is being submitted by you, our team handles the part that we discuss with our Google Ads manager to get your account on priority, to get it approved. So we know the Google Ads policy, so we know how Google Ads policy works. We know what terms, things they are looking for to get it approved. So after the appeal was written, or the changes which were being designed, what we did, and then when we asked for the manual review, and then our own manager was included in the process as well to get it approved, as well that the website was fine, everything was fine. So then after this, we get an Google Ads approval on the account, and you may see around over here that we finally got an approval from the Google. You can see around over here. Hi Ritaja, great news, your appeal was successful. Thanks for waiting while your account was reviewed. As long as there are no other violations, your ad should resume over here. You can see around here the account has been approved over here for unacceptable business practice policy suspension. It's now successful and the account is no more suspended. Okay, there are a few things which I want to tell you. During the process, we also run the ads on our own test account over here. We wanted to run to see because we are running for a lot of things over here. So you can see around over here this that we used this account to run the ads. You can see for this, this is for other projects as well. So we are using this test account for many projects. So after this is approved, we remove from over here as well. So we use the account so that your account do not get suspended during the process, because we were doing the changes to make it approved. The ads need to be approved over here. And after this, the client gave us an amazing review. Let me show you the review as well. Best service from Ali Raza Bhai and their team, highly recommended for recovering suspended accounts. I have found Ali Bhai being very knowledgeable and have cutting edge strategies to recover accounts. My account was recovered after 6 rejected appeals already. Ali Raza Bhai was very prompt in answering all of my questions. We fixed our site with all recommended edits from Ali Raza Bhai and their team, and we appealed again and got account unsuspended. So you can see that the Google Ads policy violation, Google Ads policy approval may require these things as well. So well done Ali Raza Bhai, keep up the good work. So you can see this is an amazing review for our Google Ads account suspended for Google Ads policy. So if your Google Ads account is suspended, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is aarswebs.com, and we offer a wide range of services as well. Let me show you our website as well. So this is our website, and we primarily help companies with Google Ads management. We have a lot of Google Ads management services as well. So, and if you want our Google Ads disapproval suspension services, you can hire through that as well. And we offer a lot of packages as well for suspensions, disapproval. So make sure to click on the link in the description. We offer both of the packages, but primarily we are Google Ads management company, but we help clients with Google Ads suspension as well. So this is another successful case study where the Google Ads policy was being used to get the website approved. Yeah, the client is very happy, gave us an amazing review. So please keep in mind that this requires patience, trust, so to get it approved and running. So if your Google Ads account is suspended, if your Google Ads are disapproved, if your Google business profile is suspended, or if your Google Merchant Center account is suspended, or if you need website development, or if you need a company who can manage Google Ads, Google Business Profile, Google Merchant Center, and all that for you, you need to hire us. Our company name is aarswebs.com. We are a full-fledged Google partner company, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye-bye.